Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Patricia Winan Domingo from Philippines, 33 years old, married. I have four kids, ages 12, 10, 8, and 4 years old. My height is 153 centimeter and my weight is 59 kilogram. I am a high school graduate. My work experience is here in the Philippines. For 4 years, I took care 3 kids, 1 years old boy, 4 years old girl, and 12 years old boy. I can do household chores like cleaning, ironing, marketing, and doing the laundry. I can sing children's songs like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sir, Madam, I am kind, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I want to work in Hong Kong for my family, better life, and future. That's all. Thank you.